Welcome back everybody, another product video here for you today. This time we will be unboxing the Jabra Evolve2 85 headset. And once again, you guys, if you've been liking our videos, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. It'll really help us out. The Jabra Evolve2 85 provides active noise canceling, 37 hours of battery life, and has 10 microphones for superior quality. This is a perfect headset for someone that is involved with a lot of background noise. This headset is also great for music and can be used with many soft phones and Microsoft Teams and Zoom. So right away in the box here, we're going to have our case. It's going to be a hardened case. And underneath the rest of this stuff, we have our charger. That should be it. I'll move that box out of the way. I'll show you how to use this charger here in a little bit. So we're going to open up this case. First thing we see here is our headset. As you can see, it lies flat. So in this case here, we're going to have a USB-C adapter, a USB-C to USB-A cable, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack cable. Now you can also get this headset with a USB-C dongle instead of the USB-A dongle. Just depends on which one you get, but in this specific one, we have a USB-C dongle. Okay, so when we get to the headset, I'll try this on for you guys here. Very comfortable. These swivel ears make it very easy to fit everyone's heads. Memory foam for comfort on the top here, and very easy to adjust back and forth. So this boom mic is also going to have a mute button right here on the side, and then the headset is also going to be compatible with call control such as answer end, skip track for music, and other call control features like that. And again, the most fascinating thing about the Jabra Evolve2 85 is the active noise canceling. The active noise cancellation feature allows to eliminate the distracting background noises, again, like dogs barking, talking coworkers, vacuum cleaners if you're at home. This is the most impressive feature about this headset. This is what makes it super high quality, the active noise cancellation. The headset is very easy and very comfortable to wear. Probably one of the most comfortable headsets you would ever try on. The speakers are 40mm speakers. That makes it perfect for music. Then when we put down our boom mic here, it'll rotate in, allowing your voice and audio to be picked up very easy. And again, right here on this boom mic is where we have our mute button. And if we push this up and click it back in, our voice will get muted. And then going back to our buttons on the side here, this button here at the top, this is going to be our active noise canceling on and off, as well as our hear through. So the active noise canceling, again, working in your home office or in the work office, it will take away that distracting background noise, such as talking coworkers, vacuum if you're at home, barking dog. Then the hear through setting will allow you to hear what is going on around you, and then again, the off. Very comfortable, very easy to put on, very flexible, right? Moves back and forth, up and down. A very flexible and comfortable, high quality headset. So I'm going to give another close up of the sides of our headset here. Here's our right side where we have our volume up, volume down. Our left side where we have our power, our Bluetooth, and our jacks. And then right above those is going to be our Active Noise Cancellation and our Hear Through button again. I just wanted to show you guys this one more time because this is one of the most, if not the most important feature on this headset. And then as we see here on the volume up, volume down side, we have our dedicated Microsoft Teams button. This specific version is the Microsoft Teams version. So again, we have that Microsoft Teams button here on the side, but the headset does come in the standard UC version if that is what you are looking for. But if you primarily use Microsoft Teams as your standard form of calls throughout your office, this is the Microsoft Teams version. This is the version that would apply to you. Here's a closer look at our hardened case. Very firm for protection when we carry it along. So we open it inside, our headset can lay flat, and then we have a little pocket here to carry our cables just in case we need them. So now the way that we're going to charge this headset is we're going to find our charging ports right there. We're going to match it up to the headset, and we're just going to set it in there just like that, and there it rests. The Jabra Evolve2 85 offers fast charging technology, so 15 minutes of charging will equal about 4 hours of usage. If you're looking for a headset that can just about do it all and is very easy to use, then the Jabra Evolve2 85 is for you. This is a super high quality headset that is definitely well worth it. The Jabra Evolve2 85 is the perfect headset for someone who is involved with a lot of noisy background conditions or is always on the move. If you have any other questions about the Jabra Evolve2 85 or any other headsets, please check out our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or shoot us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching this unboxing video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.